How's it going, guys? Well, it's 3 days into a new year already. Hope you all had a good New Year's. So, gonna be talking about some things here. One was I just found out on the news last night while I was scrolling through TikTok. Found out that Ken Block died. If you don't know who Ken Block is, he's a famous driver he's a drifter, which is famous for being on the YouTube channel called Hoonigan, and I really can't pronounce the name he drove in, but anyway, sucks that he passed away yesterday in a snowmobiling accident. I think it was in Utah, if I remember right. I don't know. But anyway, as far as that's a great way to start 2023 off. So, anyways, enough of that story. Figured come on here, do a little walk around with this, my daily here. And tomorrow, I'm gonna have one of my friends that's a subscriber to my channel. Or both are gonna pick up my other daily tomorrow. There's not really much work to do on it, but that's always a plus. Thank God. So, it's only 2 years older than this one. So, anyway, he's been waiting for me to do this video, so, and I've been talking about doing like a little walkthrough on my one daily here. So, there's not much you see in here other than I try to keep it clean for the most part, because I'm really finicky on keeping my vehicles clean, and well, majority of it clean, because I hate getting into vehicles where there's garbage and shit all over. And yeah, that white Dakota I bought a few years ago that I tore apart, when I first bought it, the previous owner had goddamn used clothes, like what you wear, in it. I'm surprised I didn't find any used Happy Toys, thank God. So, it was just disgusting. So, I was gonna do this the other day, but it got too dark, so I'm redoing this. There's not much to see, but of course, don't mind that. It was like that when I first bought it a few years ago. And that's for a 4-wheel drive, 4 low, neutral, 2 high, and 4 high. So, I'd rather have that than a freaking goddamn switch on a freaking dash. I hate it. Don't mind the Bruce Jenner fuck up over there. So, back seat, both seats fold up. So this is a truck I'm planning on putting a flatbed on with a built-in head rack, cause you can see here it's pretty well far gone. That's one thing I one thing I hate about where I live is because it rusts these nice vehicles out quicker than frickin' Bruce Jenner did his surgery. So, with that being said, yes, got into a bit of a fight with some post about 6 months ago. Don't ask me, the post won. My Confederate flag license plate. Almost got in a fist fight across the border with that. There's really not much to see, like I said. Passenger side. Back seat. Yeah, I usually like to try to leave a garbage bag or a Walmart bag in here so I can throw my trash in and get rid of it. Toolbox, of course. Got that for free. If you're wondering what's underneath that board, that's the hole where the previous owner, which I know him really freaking well, decided, well, it's a lot easier to cut a hole in a box for a fuel pump. Instead of either dropping a gas tank or taking a bed off, it's just better off cutting a hole in a box and doing it that way. So, over a previous summer last year, this thing got into a bit of a fight with my trailer too. So, with that being said, I gotta replace the mirrors because my dumb ass decided, oh, I'll be fine. Crack, right? Fucked both of them up when I was pulling in my garage. So, these are not freaking cheap. I'm looking at about almost $250 for them because they're heated. So, anyways, I know this has 321,000 on it. A lot of people wouldn't even bat an eye, just walk away from it for high mileage. Not me. I just look at it as, well, people that got their use out of it, well, I'm getting more use out of it. So, anyways, there's not much to talk about other than I put new tires on it last February, around tax time. I did a lot of major work to the front end because these Dodgers love their front end parts. Between the body rusting out like a madman, kind of like Jeffrey Dahmer, and tires, new front end parts, front end alignment, 2 new drive shafts, front and back. Trying to think of what alternator, starter. Oh, this truck hates the cold, period. It just hates it. Because when it gets like 25, 30 below, there's a little light that comes on. It'll flash for a couple minutes, shuts the truck off. That's why I have to pull over, restart it, and whatnot. for an old Ford, about around 2003 to 2004, they convert the 318s, 360s to the 57s Hemis, and I'm just glad this truck doesn't have that famous Hemi tick to it, because it's not a lifter. It has to do in timing area. So yeah. So yeah. So that's a little bit of a see-through. See what's all in it. Why I keep my shit clean, well, picked up and whatnot. This thing needs a good vacuuming and detailing. Everybody knows about my black pickup. I would love to get that thing all freaking muddy and whatnot and take it to a valet parking, see what they say about it. What if you drive this thing? Because I just want to see what you guys think and say. Fuck off, you freaking arrogant asshole. Talk about my neighbor. Beautiful dickwad. So, anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. See you on next video, alright? Well, I'll do a video on my second daily once it's here. And once I have a little bit of extra time, okay? So, y'all take care and have a good new year, and let's try and make this a good one, alright? Let's not have any fuck ups like the last 2-3 years. So, later.